We all thought WeWork was the next big thing, but how did it go from a $47 billion valuation to a total disaster? Let's dive into the missteps that led to this epic fall and what it means for the future of startups in an AI-driven world. WeWork, a co-working space company that aimed to revolutionize the way people work, ultimately faced a disastrous downfall. WeWork was founded by Adam Newman and Miguel McKelvey, and in just a few short years, it went from a small startup to a global phenomenon, attempting to go public and reaching a valuation of nearly $50 billion, before its IPO attempt failed miserably and its valuation dropped like a rock. WeWork's business model was all about providing flexible leases, something that resonated with startups and entrepreneurs who needed office space on a short-term basis. They also focused on designing their office spaces to be more than just a place to work, but a community where people could connect and collaborate. And to top it all off, they provided a range of amenities, from free beer and coffee to yoga classes and networking events. It was the perfect blend of work and play. The idea was to create a sense of community among its members, making them feel like they were part of something bigger than just a regular office space. And for a while, it seemed like they had cracked the code. Members loved the flexibility, the vibe, and the convenience of WeWork's offices. But, as we all know, appearances can be deceiving. Behind the scenes, WeWork was hemorrhaging cash, and its financials were a mess. The company was burning through money at an alarming rate, and its accounting practices were questionable, to say the least. On the surface, WeWork's model seemed innovative and promising, but scratch beneath the surface and you'd find a web of mismanagement, lack of oversight, and financial instability. One of the biggest pros of WeWork's model was its ability to provide flexible and innovative office solutions. It was a game changer for startups and entrepreneurs who needed office space on a short-term basis. But, one of the major cons was its lack of financial discipline and oversight, which ultimately led to its downfall. Another major con was the fact that WeWork's business model was largely based on renting out office spaces to its members, which left it exposed to market fluctuations. And, as we all know, the real estate market can be unpredictable, to say the least. In comparison to other co-working services like Regus and Spaces, WeWork's business model was more focused on creating a community-driven experience, whereas its competitors focused more on providing a traditional office space. I've had the chance to talk to several people who experienced both the benefits and the pitfalls of WeWork's services. One of my friends, who worked out of a WeWork office, told me that it was the perfect solution for her startup, which needed a flexible and short-term office space. However, she also mentioned that the constant parties and events made it difficult to focus on work sometimes. In the end, WeWork's legacy serves as a cautionary tale for entrepreneurs and startups. Its story teaches us that innovation and creativity are important, but financial discipline and oversight are equally crucial. WeWork's impact on the real estate market will be felt for years to come, and its failure should serve as a warning to entrepreneurs who are tempted to prioritize growth over profits. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about startup failures, be sure to check out our next video. Or, if you have any thoughts about WeWork, share them in the comments below.